Hey guys, this is Jason. I'm with Colton RV down in Orchard Park. Behind me I got a 2019 Grand Design Reflection, fresh on trade. I'm going to show you around. We'll start right here. Pass-through storage. Tons of space. We got our battery disconnect right in here. Outlets. Nice little spot for cords if we did want to run a TV or something. We got our propane tanks in here. We got our nice awning, and it is independent, so we are not losing any camping space. We got our LEDs, outside speakers. Even more storage up front here. Nice latch. Battery will be kept in here. It is vented, and we do have the electric stabilizers. We come around back here. We've got our nice camp setup spot. We do have another area where we can just run everything right through, just so we don't have to leave this open all night. Our auto leveling right there. One of the perks of pre-owned, we've already got some slide toppers on this guy. We've got our furnace exhaust on the back, which is also a perk. We're not burning any legs. Fridge exhaust. Nice solid ladder. Fresh hitch on this guy. We are backup camera prepped if we wanted to go that route. All of our windows will have nice weep holes, so we don't have to worry about water inside. And then we do have our awning right here as well. All right, that's the outside. Let's get inside. And we do have a nice friction hinge on this door. It does have a holder as well. We'll get inside. Got some nice solid surfaces here. Dinette's going to be standalone chairs, so we don't have to slide in and out any booths here. We do have a nice stove here. Convection microwave. Really big fridge here. Freezer as well. Extra counter space over here with its own light. Tons of storage space. There's cabinets everywhere. Farm style stainless steel sink. Moving on over here, got a nice pantry with its own light. Of course, our TV with our electric fireplace. Radio is going to be right up here. We have a sleeper couch, so it's not a jackknife. We got the full bed in here. Even more cabinets. Got AC, fully ducted. We've got our theater seating. It is going to be heated. It's got a massager. It's got a light. The recliners as well. We'll head this way, check out the bathroom. Got a nice radius shower in here, porcelain toilet, our counter space, our mirror, and then we can head right on into the bedroom from here. So we head into the bedroom right from the bathroom. First off, we've got a ton of space down here, carpeted under the bed even. Got our nice wardrobe space over here. Really deep. We do have the hanger bar. Even more cabinets. We got his and her plugs on each side of the bed. We got a nice little pet spot on either side of the bed as well. TV prep right in the corner there. And we are ducted in here with the AC as well. Well, this has been the 2019 Grand Design Reflection. Thanks for checking it out with me. If you have any questions, give me a call, 716-957-3250, extension 351, or stop in and ask for Jason. Thanks, guys.